Here is the fastest $500 in the entire AI economy. One local business, one annoying problem, and one AI worker that makes it disappear. That's it. That's the whole play. And let me show you the math. Last episode, I gave you the full map of AI money. Today, we're walking through the first region, the mine, because everybody watching AI videos wants the same thing first. Not a business empire, not a course, just the real money hitting your account. So here's the play-by-play, step by step. Step 1, pick a boring business, not a tech startup, a plumber, a cleaner, a dentist, a landscaper. Boring businesses, they have money, they have problems, and they have zero time to learn AI. That combination is your opening. Step 2, find the leak. Every boring business leaks money in the same places. Calls that go to voicemail after hours, leads that never get a follow-up, invoices that go out late, reviews no one ever asked for. You're not selling artificial intelligence, you're selling a leak plugged. Here's the math on just one leak. A plumber misses a late night emergency call, that's easily a $500 job gone. If AI receptionist catches 4 of those a month, that's $2,000 he wasn't getting. You charge him $500 a month and he keeps that $1,500 he didn't have. Nobody's doing you a favor. That's the 4-to-1 return. And 4-to-1 gets renewed forever. Step 3, build it with the tools that already exist. You don't code from scratch. Voice agent, chatbots, automation platform, the pieces are already sitting on the shelf. Your job is to just assemble it. If you could follow a recipe, you could build a receptionist that answers a phone and books a calendar. The skill isn't programming. The skill is caring enough to set it up right. Step 4, charge for the outcome, not the tool. Never say, I'll set up an AI chatbot. Say, your phone gets answered at 2 a.m. and the bookings show up on your calendar. The plumber doesn't care what model you used. He cares that the leak stopped. And step 5, this is the one that everyone skips. Deliver it to one business first, not 10, one. Get one owner saying this thing paid for itself, because that sentence is a key. It unlocks the next 5 clients because boring business owners, they all know each other and they all have the same leaks. Now, real talk, the mine has a ceiling. Every client still costs you setup time, but that's next month's problem. This month's problem is proving to yourself that AI money is real. $500, one client, one leak. So here's the move this week. Write down 3 boring businesses you already know. The gym you go to, the barber, your cousin's lawn crew, and comment the word mine. And I'll send you the exact leak finder checklist and you can run it all 3. And stay starving, and I'll see you in the mine.